Hello students, now here we have to study the next topic about the endoplasmic reticulum. This is the cell organelle of the cell. Now I think that you may have known about that in 9th class that you have studied the different cell organelles. So I have told in last video that cell organelles का मतलब कि सेल ऑर्गेनल्स मीन्स छोटे छोटे जो ऑर्गन्स सेल के अंदर होते हैं, क्योंकि वी ऑल नो दैट कि plants and animals are consist of different kinds of the cells. Clear? So cells are the basic unit of structural and functional unit of organism, whether of plant or animals. No possibility of formation of plants and animals without cell. So that's why cell is the structural unit and functional unit also. So inside the cells there are different organs are present. So different organs when present inside the cells, तो those organs of the cells are called cell organelle. Clear? Organs of cell are called cell organelles. Clear? Cell organelles means the organs which are present inside the cells. Those are called cell organelles, and there are so many kind of cell organelles present inside the cell. So one of them is endoplasmic reticulum. So you must have to remember that this is the organ made up by membrane. This is the membrane bound organelle. So I have told also that in prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms, when we have studied about prokaryotic and eukaryotic, so I think that you know कि in prokaryotic cell these organelles, membrane bound organelles are absent. You have studied already, but in a eukaryotic cell the endoplasmic reticulum is present in eukaryotes. Clear? eukaryotes में जो endoplasmic reticulum होंगे वो present होंगे, but in prokaryotes these are absent. So you must have to remember this is the basic difference. So here we are studying about the endoplasmic reticulum. These are basically present in eukaryotic cell. Present in eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cells these are present only and not present in prokaryotic cell. Clear? Not in prokaryotic cell like bacteria. It means to say the bacteria is the example of prokaryotic cell. Clear? So these are the cell organelle of any eukaryotic cell, whether of plant or animals. eukaryotic cell कहाँ हो सकती हैं, चाहे वो प्लांट की हों चाहे एनिमल की हों, किसी में भी eukaryotic cell हो सकती हैं. और eukaryotic cell का बेसिक फीचर क्या है कि मेम्ब्रेन बॉन्ड ऑर्गेनल्स वहाँ प्रेजेंट होते हैं, यानी कि एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम क्या है, मेम्ब्रेन से बनने वाला ऑर्गेनल है. तो दैट्स वाई व्हेन दिस ऑर्गेनल प्रेजेंट, तो दैट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर ऑफ यूकार्योटिक सेल. क्लियर? ये जब प्रेजेंट होगा दैट इज द फीचर ऑफ यूकार्योटिक सेल. क्लियर? नाउ व्हाट हैपन हियर, नाउ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम दैट इज formed by membrane. Clear? You must have to remember this is formed by membrane, and now this endoplasmic reticulum is the tubular structure, and you can see when you can see the nucleus, so you will found the complete structure of endoplasmic reticulum like this. This is the complete structure of endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? So how does the endoplasmic reticulum appear inside the cell? So you can see here, this is the diagram of endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? This is the diagram of endoplasmic reticulum. So you can see very well here that how does it appear in size and structure. So you can see कि like this. Okay, there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum and second one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. These are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. तो must have to remember कि ये जितने भी endoplasmic reticulum होते हैं वो मेम्ब्रेन से बनने वाली स्ट्रक्चर्स होती हैं, and these look like a tube like structures. ये tube like structures होती हैं छोटी छोटी. तो these all are the endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? तो first thing you have to know here. And second thing you must have to remember that two types are there of endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and these are based on the presence or absence of राइबोसोम. तो व्हेन द राइबोसोम्स क्या होते हैं, छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, पार्टिकल्स और राइबोसोम व्हेन प्रेजेंट, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. क्लियर? एंड व्हेन दीज राइबोसोम आर absent, when these ribosomes are absent, when ribosomes are absent, ribosome are not there, राइबोसोम जब absent होंगे तो राइबोसोम when absent in endoplasmic reticulum, absent, तो this endoplasmic reticulum is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. तो must have to remember on the basis of present or absence of कि when ribosome present, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and when ribosome absent, a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? This is these are the based and types of endoplasmic reticulum on basis presence or absence of ribosome. And next thing you must have to remember that this smooth endoplasmic reticulum functionally, how does they function? So especially they function to store the fat to synthesize the cholesterol and steroids also. ये जितने भी फैट्स वगैरह होते हैं हमारी बॉडी के अंदर, तो सेल्स में जो बनते हैं, ये सेल्स जो सिंथेसाइज करती हैं वो इन्हीं के अंदर स्टोर हो जाते हैं. जितने भी फैट हैं, कोलेस्ट्रॉल हैं, इनको सिंथेसाइज करने वाली जो सेल्स होती हैं उनमें ये स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम आर प्रेजेंट. बट स्पेशली रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम आर प्रेजेंट in those cells which are concerned to the protein synthesis. So especially the ribosome are present here, so that's why they synthesize the protein, especially they synthesize the protein. So rough endoplasmic reticulum, especially they synthesize protein. Clear? And they are involved in fat and cholesterol synthesis, fat and cholesterol synthesis. Clear? So two things you must have to remember: fats, cholesterol synthesis, okay, and only protein synthesized. So those endoplasmic reticulum are called rough endoplasmic reticulum, and this is possible only on the basis of presence of ribosome. This is the main function of rough endoplasmic reticulum. It means to say the functions for synthesizing the protein, and smooth because of not having the ribosome, they functions to synthesize the fats, cholesterol also. Okay, so this is all about the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, if you have any confusion then you can discuss with me. Thank you.